guys, in the video, we are in the Ritz Mall Hotel, and this is Iloilo in hotel. This is the
dito.
Right here, in that far room. Ito yung room namin, no? Come in. Ito po yung cabinet namin. This big cup. Ito yung malaki. Ito yung safe namin para sa mga pera or cellphone. Kung alis kami. Ito yung sleeper kung madudumi yung floor namin. Bago ito yung cabinet kung lalagay laptop or cellphone or mga gamit mo ng iba. Ito isa na iron, I don't know, hindi alam ko. Tsaka ito ay yung namin. Ito yung hanger na hindi abot ko pa. Tsaka ganun. Ito muna sa cabinet. This is the bathroom, and this is the CR. Sorry. This is the toilet. This is toothpaste. This is the sabon. This is a toothbrush and shampoo. And this is for water. This is the luxury. This is the luxury CR. Open that. There's a shower, 2 showers, and there's one. I don't know. And go over here outside. Over here. Tapos na yung CR. Ito ang cabinet namin. Ay, ito yung rep namin. May cabinet na isa. Ito yung coffee namin kung gusto nyo. Or water. Ito yung namin, bedroom, higaan. Ito yung TV namin, 100 inches yung hotel na TV. Ito ang higaan ko. Ito higaan ko din. Tsaka dito, may window papunta sa CR. Nakita nyo. Kikita si Daddy kung liligo siya para jojoke ko siya. Oh, na matigas siya. Papunta sa CR para kung mayroong naliligo dito. Bago ito, upuan. Tsaka dito, ang viewing namin sa swimming pool. Yes, or na papaalam kasi kalalang ko na chichilax.